Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for all you Xbox enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to buy Xbox Game Pass Ultimate with a gift card in 2025. If you're looking to save some cash and access a massive library of games, this is the guide for you. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate gives you unlimited access to hundreds of games, online multiplayer, and exclusive perks. All for a fraction of the cost when you use a gift card. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Xbox gift card ready. These can be physical cards or digital codes you got from a friend, online, or even as a reward. Step 1. Head over to the Microsoft Store website or open the Xbox app on your console or PC. If you're on a console, just power it up and go to the Store tab. Next, log into your Microsoft account. That's the one linked to your Xbox profile. Once you're in, navigate to the subscriptions section. Look for Xbox Game Pass and select Ultimate. You'll see options for different plans. Go for the Ultimate one since it includes everything. Now, here's the key part. Before you hit that buy button, you need to redeem your gift card. If it's a physical card, scratch off the code and enter it in the redemption section, usually found in your account settings or directly in the store. For digital codes, it's the same process. Once redeemed, the funds will be added to your Microsoft account balance. With your balance topped up, go back to the Game Pass page and select the Ultimate subscription. Choose your payment method. In this case, it'll pull from your gift card funds. Confirm the purchase, and boom, you're subscribed. It might take a minute to activate, so give it a second. A quick tip. Always check for any promotions or deals that might stack with your gift card for even more savings. Also, if you run into issues, like the code not working, double-check for typos or contact Microsoft support. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be gaming away on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on!